We're touring the Lake District National Park here in Cumbria in our DIY campervan conversion.
We've already visited 4 lakes in the south: Lake Windermere, Esthwaite Water, Coniston Water and Haweswater. Visited Skelwith Force, Colwith Force and Cathedral Cavern. Climbed the Old Man of Coniston and England's highest mountain, Scafell Pike.
Here's part 2, we hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Welcome back to part 2 of our tour of the Lake District. This is Ennerdale Water, and we're only going to stop here for a second because we're going to head straight to Buttermere now. Alright, now here we are in Buttermere, and it sits right next to Crummock Water and Loweswater, just further up that way. And before we visit them, we're going to go check out Scale Force Waterfall.
Next we walked along the western shore of Crummock Water. It's really beautiful here.
So we're here in the northwest of the Lake District, and we're going to keep heading that way north to Loweswater, which is our next stop.
So here we are at our 8th lake, Loweswater, which means we're halfway done with our tour.
Alright, and here we are in number 9, Bassenthwaite. And we are just going to go around the corner and we're going to go to the Lakes Distillery to do an alcohol tasting and distillery tour.
Yay! The only alcohol I like is toffee apple cider.
It is nice, to be fair. But yeah, they do like gin, whiskey and vodka. I think you get a 70 centilitre bottle to try. So yeah, Tuesday afternoon. So apparently they have alpacas at this distillery, so we're going to go check these guys out first. Just sit on his head.
Shoot around again, but this time we get more of the flavours. So on the second sip, I mentioned earlier we have the one that we're doing most. We do also have a blended malt that we blend with our own space side. And the smoke that comes through. Do give it a big smell, and then try to treat their Mediterranean tonic matches our botanical really well. An Indian tonic is pretty overpowering for our drink. And we have this at the end of the shop here, 6%.
Smooth.
This are the sweeter, fuller mouth distillation process. So it's longer than usual, 10 hours. It's pretty long. But we, the vodka.
Okay, so he only overlapped me 4 times.
Yeah, you were bad. Where's the paperwork? Hold on. So my average lap was 42 seconds and my fastest was 40. Your average lap was 48 seconds and your fastest was 43, which means my average lap is better than your fastest.
It was hard work.
Oh, it gives you like a proper pump, doesn't it?
Yeah, honestly, my hands and wrists, like, that is really hard work. And it was funny because when he was like overlapping me each time, I was like, right, I'm gonna keep up this time. And I couldn't.
Like Tash usually beats me because she's shorter, and you know, in a go-kart it's better to have like a lower centre of gravity, because I'm like, my top half is being like swung all over the place, like going around corners. But yeah, I beat you this time. That was good.
So now we're at Haweswater. We would probably say this is one of our favourite. It's just so picturesque and it's so quiet, and all we can hear is like the sound of a waterfall over there. It's just lovely.
It helps that it's a really sunny day, but it's so chill here. So yeah, we've done a bit of a walk around. We're currently on this little outcrop. All right, so here we are at Derwentwater. There's lots of activity on this lake. You can see in the background there are paddle boarders and motorboats going by and canoers. And yeah, tomorrow we're going to make our way up to Haweswater and we're going to be jumping in a canoe ourselves. Good to go? Yeah. Hold on to the rock for me. That just came out of nowhere, you know, like we tried to get around the island, like the wind blocked it, bit of a fail.
God, we were actually really far out.
Yeah, we're really far out. A little bit wet. God, that wind just absolutely got us. And we were not near any shoreline and it was so hard even to go parallel to get to the shoreline. Yeah, we had to be towed back. Fun stuff, fun stuff.